Man, since I gotta make a short, this is how Baltimore look, man. For y'all come here, they put bodies in vakes and alleys, whatever. Yeah, this is how Baltimore look. For y'all that don't come here, and for y'all that's scared to come here. That's how the city look. Oh, the hood, the trenches. Feel me? Normal day in the trenches. Like my niggas ain't out here. We usually be deep as shit on the block, but I'm the only one right now. It's peaceful sometimes. You gotta learn your role, mind your business. Love this shit. You'll love it here too if you grew up in Baltimore all your life. Some people move out for a better life. Some people get stuck in here. For those that made it out, I applaud you. You feel me? It's hard to make it out this city. Black people struggle every day. It takes us to not give up. That's why I go get that shit every day. You feel me? I love it though. I love my city. I love my city. Police be trying to stop us. They can't stop what they can't see. You know, we got money to make. They got money to make. We gonna make it by any means out here. Like I said, but those that made it out, I'm happy y'all did. I should have took me with y'all, but it was only a one ticket, one flight ticket. I'll make another video for y'all later. Yeah, like and subscribe.